Burr, 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 burr. So we just got done the official Liquified rally, and we were super excited to announce Liquishine, our newest RV and auto wash, and that's what this video is. I'm gonna take our wash and wax product, and if you, we don't even have labels yet, but by the time you can buy it, you'll see the labels. Bing! That's what it looks like. And notice how we're specifying RV and auto, because it also works. So even if you're not an RV or you don't have an RV yet, you can still get Liquishine, and it works for your automobiles. Now check out Will's truck here. Will literally just got this professionally detailed. Like, look at how clean it is on the inside. You guys see all that? That's my Red Bull trash, I'm sorry, right? But driving in Texas, he literally got this jet, how long ago? 4 days ago? 3-4 days ago. And the dirt and the dust from Texas already got the truck dirty. So we just got to our campsite in Dallas, and Will's on a meeting, so I'm gonna surprise him and do what Liquishine do. All right, so let's speed this up 3x while you guys can see me clean Will's truck with Liquishine wax and wash, which is great for RVs and automobiles. So I was talking here while filming a little bit, so that's why I put it on 3 times fast forward. But I really wanted to take this moment to tell everybody about Liquishine. Liquishine is a division of Liquified, and it is our new brand of external wash. We have this product, which I'm using now, which is our Wash All Wax. We have our black streak remover, our bug remover, and our roof cleaner. And if you guys didn't see our launch of Liquishine, I will link that YouTube video down in the description below. But what we're doing is we are launching Liquishine around January 1st of 2026. But we are right now doing a pre-sale called the Founders Club. So you guys can go to our website, liquishinerv.com right now to learn more about the Founders Club. But what the Founders Club is you are essentially pre-buying Liquishine, the 4-pack. It's $25 a bottle, so it's $99 for the 4-pack. And what we're doing is we're doing exclusive perks and giveaways for people that buy the Founders Club pack. Now, you guys can join the Founders Club. Now, once you join the Founders Club, all you're doing is you're pre-buying Liquishine, okay? And what you get is you get entered into 7 different giveaways. One's gonna be a free weekend cruise in the Caribbean. The other one's gonna be a full-blown detailing of your RV and a black tank cleaning. Another one's going to be a $1,000 Flying J gift card. We have a free mattress from rvmattress.com that we're giving away. We are doing a Yeti cooler valued at $500. We're doing a lifetime supply of Liquified Liquishine. And what that means is you're gonna get a bottle per quarter of both for the rest of your life, or for as long as we're in business. And then finally, we're gonna be giving one person a 100% refund for their order, okay? So make sure you guys check out all the Founder Club's features and perks and everything. And again, guys, we're pre-selling Liquishine. It's gonna be launching in about 6 weeks, 7 weeks at the start of the new year. And when you launch a new product, it takes a lot of capital. That's why we're doing the Founders Club. You get an exclusive Founders Club t-shirt, the name on our warehouse, and we really do appreciate everybody who's pre-ordering Liquishine. And if you don't want to pre-order Liquishine, not a problem. Once we have it launched, we're going to be doing something else awesome as well. Thanks, guys, so much. Let's kick it back over to Will's truck. It says 9 minutes and 42 seconds, but really it's probably only taking me about 5 to 6 minutes on one side. So about 10 to 15 minutes. And you guys can see how sparkly shiny Will's truck is now. Well, at least this side is anyway. And then right here, you can see I stopped at the Jeep, right? So you can see that part compared to this part. Hopefully the camera picks it up. And then to wrap it on up, this is the dirty side of his truck. You can see it big time right over there, the splash and the dirt and the dust. And yeah, so no need to bore you guys. I'm gonna finish up wiping down Will's truck, and that is Liquishine, which is the newest, best RV/automobile external wash, and that was our Liquishine wash and wax product. Now for RVs, we also have black streak remover, bug remover, and roof cleaner, but our wash and wax product will work on all vehicle types, including Will's beautiful truck. Thanks so much, guys. If you're interested in getting Liquishine, go to our website, liquishinerv.com.